Isaac sowed in the land.
And
the Lord blessed that man 100-fold. God blessed him. Maybe here you say amen. Because he was in his season, ladies and gentlemen, 2022
season
is your season.
It is your time. It is your turning. I said it is your turning. I said it is your turning. I wonder why you think of crying because other people are crying. Wali okitegeddeko nti omuntu alina okubikkulirwa esobola okufuuka season ye mu season y'okukaaba kw'abalala.
Do you know that a person with the revelation, it can become their season when other people are crying?
Tewali ategedde kye njogedde.
Nobody understood
omuntu
that.
alina okubikkulirwa.
A person with revelation,
ekimugaana okukaaba n'abo abakaaba.
what stops him from crying with those who cry?
Kisobokera ddala okuba nti season ye yekaabya abalala ate yeeresa obugagga bwe.
It's possible that the season making other people cry is the season which has brought his message.
Ekyo neetaaga nkinyumize ggwe abadde omulamu ng'olaba COVID.
Do I need to tell you that who has lived through COVID?
Bagambye COVID abadde akaabya ensi yonna talina balekedde bugagga.
Did they tell you that there are some people who are not rich in this season of COVID?
Omanyi ssente abasawo ze bakoze?
Do you know how much money the doctors have made?
Omanyi ssente pharmaceutical industries ezikoze?
Do you know how much money the pharmaceutical industries have made?
Bagambye nabo bali mu biwoobe nga by'olimu.
Do you think they are crying like you're crying?
Kati omanyi ssente ze bali mu kukola mu vaccine?
Do you know how much money they are making in the vaccines?
It's not
a law that when crying comes, everyone should cry. It is why the Lord tells you, don't go down to Egypt. Don't cry as they cry. Don't go as they go. Stay where they have gone away. Sow your seed there.
Invest in that very place. Don't run away from that place.